Kim Kumyong, North Korea's new table tennis sensation. She beat Yingsha and shocked Asia. Who is Kim Kumyong? Kim Kumyong just beat the world number one. Is a table tennis revolution coming? By coach EmRatThich. The rise of Kim Kumyong, the North Korean table tennis player who just won the 2024 Asian Championships, marks a new chapter in the sport's history. For many years, North Korea's presence in international table tennis has been irregular, limited by sanctions, the pandemic, and the country's political isolation. But with Kim Kumyong, North Korea has stormed back into the spotlight, and make no mistake, she is a force to be reckoned with. The comeback of North Korea in table tennis. You might remember Hyang Bong, who won the 2013 World Mixed Doubles title with Kim Jong, a historic moment for North Korea. Even more impressive was his victory over Joo Se-hyuk at the 2012 London Olympics, a player known for his legendary defensive skills. Today, Hyang Bong is reportedly the head coach of the current North Korean team, and his presence was seen at both the 2024 Paris Olympics and Asian Championships. His tactical mind and experience are shaping a new generation, and Kim Kumyong appears to be his brightest star yet. Kim Kumyong, from unknown to Asian champion. Let's be honest, nobody expected Kim Kumyong to win the women's singles at the Asian Championships. She entered the tournament unranked with 0 individual world ranking points, but what she achieved was no fluke. In the final, she defeated Miwa Harimoto, the Japanese prodigy. Even more shockingly, earlier in the tournament, she defeated Yingsha, the current world number one, in the team event. This wasn't a lucky break, this was pure tactical brilliance. Yingsha, although reportedly tired from a long season and slightly injured, was completely unsettled by Kim Kumyong's close-to-the-table long pips blocking game. And that's the secret weapon. Kim's unorthodox style seems to neutralize high-speed attackers like Yingsha. Remember, Sun also lost to Ahika Mukherjee of India, another long pip specialist, at the World Team Championships in Busan. Is this defensive style becoming the kryptonite of top Chinese players? From Paris to Doha, the rise continues. At the 2024 Paris Olympics, Kim Kumyong and her partner, Ryan Sick, shocked the world by reaching the mixed doubles final. Along the way, they defeated Japan, Sweden, and Hong Kong, and nearly toppled China in the final. Ranked 16th out of 16 entries, and with no prior international credentials, their silver medal run was nothing short of miraculous. In singles, Kim Kumyong also reached the quarterfinals, losing narrowly to the eventual bronze medalist Hina Hayata. These were not isolated victories, and if the Asian Championships confirmed anything, it's that Paris was no fluke. Can Kim Kumyong become world champion? Now this is the big question. With players like Chen Meng and Wang Manyu known to eat long pips players for lunch, can Kim Kumyong really stand a chance at the 2025 World Table Tennis Championships in Doha? Let's consider the facts. She defeated Yingsha in the team event. She beat Miwa Harimoto in the singles final. She reached the final in mixed doubles at the Olympics, beating top-seeded teams. She plays a style that is rare, awkward, and frustrating for offensive players. We must remember that North Korea has done this before. In 1975 and 1977, Park Young-sun became women's world champion. In 2013, they won the mixed doubles world championship. North Korean table tennis is not a fairy tale. It's a cycle, a system, a strategy. Kim Kumyong, if she maintains her form and confidence, has a real shot. Yes, we haven't seen her play against the full force of the Chinese national team with all their stars at peak form, but she's already cracked the code against Yingsha. That's a huge signal. The bigger picture, table tennis in North Korea. There's still much we don't know about North Korean athletes. The pressures they face, the limited exposure they get. The controversy after the podium selfie with South Korean players in Paris showed us the tightrope they walk. And yet in footage from Pyongyang and interviews from outsiders who visited North Korea, you can see dozens of young children training hard in table tennis halls. The government uses sport as propaganda, yes, but the level of discipline and technical training is undeniable. With North Korea set to host the 2028 Asian Championships, they are not going away, and we should not underestimate the development of their program. Kim Hyang Bong's generation is now mentoring the next, and they're doing it well.
获得了2024亚洲乒乓球锦标赛的女单冠军，恭喜激情！同时呢，也是要把掌声送给张本美和。确实啊，结束完这一场女单的决赛之后呢，稍后要进行的女双决赛，张本美和将会搭档队友组合大藤沙月以及横井孝英争夺女双的冠军。赛程的安排也是比较紧密。今天整场比赛其实看下来，我觉得前半场张本美和的战术。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.